Hello pawb, fy enw I ydy Seren, my name's Seren, and today I'm going to be showing you a short workshop on how to create your very own pop-up 3D flower greetings card. This is very easy to make, and using this method you'll never have to buy another Pembrose Hapus card or greetings card again. So let's get started. So for this activity you're going to need a Pritt stick, some colourful pens or pencils, a sharp pair of scissors, a square piece of paper and a folded card or piece of paper. We're going to put everything else to the side apart from the square piece of paper. Now we're going to start to make our flower, and to do this you need to begin by folding your piece of paper, making sure that the edges line up as best as possible, and also making sure to really crease the sides like this. Open up and fold in half again. Open up and now fold corner to corner. You might see a small bit of overlap here if your square is a few millimetres off, but that's okay. And fold the corner again. Open up and your piece should begin to look like this. Now, we're now going to fold it in on itself. So holding the corners, I'm going to fold the piece until I have a shape which looks like this. Now I'm just going to fold this over like so, press it down. You should have a triangular shape, closed here and open here. Starting on the closed side, we're going to cut a half circle. Open this up and you should have a flower shape. Now, you might need to play around here a little bit. You're going to have to now fold this in on itself again. All four corners fold in. So you have this, so I'll show you again. So you want to fold four corners in. It needs to be flat and looking like this. Now, you're going to take one of these corners and fold in like that, and the other side, and fold in like this. Flip it over and do the same on the next side. Now taking each of these folds, open it back up and press it in on itself. So it folds neatly inside. Oh, this one's having a bit of trouble. There we go. Now you're going to do the same for all of those. Now open the sides back up and fold in on themselves. And the last one, open up, Can be a little bit fiddly, and fold in on itself. This is how your piece should be looking. Now that's how you fold it. If you want to be adventurous and put some patterns or shapes on the inside of your flower, you're going to need to decorate it before you do that folding sequence that we've just done there. So as soon as you cut it out, you can draw on it using your pens or pencils and then start to fold it from there. If you try drawing on it after you folded it, it's going to be a bit difficult as the lines might make it a bit difficult to draw on. So once you have your piece and it's neatly folded, take your card, open it up and simply glue your origami flower down on one side and then down on the other. Give it a good press. I'm just going to trim the edges off my card because I didn't want it that long. Mine's overlapping slightly, so I'm just going to trim that down so it looks a little bit neater. There we go. Move the scraps out of the way, give it another press and open your card. And that's how it works. It's very simple. Your card will then neatly fold away and open back up. Like so. Now you can do these flowers as big or as small as you wish. And as you can see, my flower here is slightly different to this one, only because I cut a little bit further down than here when I snipped the half circle. So if you want your flower to look more like this, don't cut the half circle quite as diagonally down and just go more across. If you want your flower to look more like this, cut more diagonally downwards. Once the glue is dry and your paper flower has been accustomed to being neatly folded away, you can, if you want, decorate the front of your card. Here I've just done a very, very simple pembley papyrus and cut out a simple heart. Now you can be a lot more inventive. You can cut out a smaller flower and instead of making it 3D, stick it on the front and decorate it as you wish. You can get layers of paper and create a border for your card. It's really up to you. Here you want to use your own imagination and inventiveness. But there we have it. A simple 3D pop-up paper flower card which can be used for lots of different occasions. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope you enjoy making your cards.